Welcome to today's video, where we will dive into a common problem that can arise when working with class variables in C++. The problem we are going to tackle involves the use of const references within a class and the unexpected behavior that can result from it. If you have ever encountered issues with const references in your code, then this video is for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem we discussed earlier. By adding a copy constructor to the triangle3 class, we can ensure that the references are correctly updated when a copy of the triangle is made. This simple addition resolves the issue of referencing invalid elements after a vector resize. Remember, incorporating this copy constructor is essential to prevent unexpected behavior when working with const references in C++. In summary, we explored a common problem related to const references in C++ classes and how adding a copy constructor can resolve this issue. By ensuring that references are correctly updated when making copies of objects, we can avoid encountering unexpected behavior in our code. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the importance of handling const references properly in C++. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!